Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginger lemonade. First, gather your simple ingredients for this refreshing drink. You will need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, a 4-inch piece of ginger root, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 8 cups of water. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This easy method ensures a perfect balance of sweet and spicy flavors. Next, let's prepare the ginger syrup, which is key to the unique taste. Peel and thinly slice your 4-inch piece of ginger root. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Add the sliced ginger to this mixture. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes. This process extracts all the wonderful ginger flavor into a sweet syrup. Now it's time to bring everything together. Juice your 6 to 8 lemons until you have approximately 1 and 1/4 cups of fresh lemon juice. Once your ginger syrup has cooled, strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the ginger pieces, leaving only the smooth, flavorful syrup. In a large pitcher, combine the lemon juice, the strained ginger syrup, and 7 cups of cold water. Stir everything well to ensure it is fully mixed. Finally, for the best taste, chill your ginger lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a truly refreshing drink. When ready to serve, pour it over ice. You can also garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.